mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what my knees go weak.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my 7 top mesmerizing Middle Eastern fragrances. Middle Eastern fragrances have a very unique charm about them, and they're very, they have a rich story to say about their fragrances. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So my first fragrance will be the Nemat fragrance. This Nemat fragrance is in amber. It's perfect to put behind your ear, on your neck, behind your knee. These are some areas that you can put this on. A lot of the fragrance I am talking about will be having an amber in them. So this will be a great addition to add if you're interested with Middle Eastern fragrances. So that's number 1. Nemat. Number 2 is another Nemat fragrance, and this one is Vanilla Musk. You can get these fragrances at Ulta, Whole Foods, and Amazon. And I know mine has peeled, it's been through the fire, but it still works. This one is so pretty. It's like the vanilla and it with a little bit of musk, so it adds a little bit of charm to your fragrances. So, and it also makes it stand out. So if you have vanilla or amber in your fragrances, I definitely suggest these. And these are very inexpensive. Okay guys, so number 3, a drum roll. It's Camera. I know I talked about this in the previous video, but Camera is that girl. I know, but it's definitely a beautiful cinnamon, dates, vanilla. Oh, it's so pretty and so nice, but it's not too sweet. It's not enough to give you a headache, but this is like a dupe from the Kilian's Angel Share. So this one is definitely a keeper. Like, you must get this, and it's definitely affordable. This is Camera by Latafia, number 3. Okay, number 4 is Amir Oud, and this is Touch Me. This is a floral sweet with delicate citrus, very perfect for the summertime, and it smells so good. Now, this is a local store here in Dallas, so if you are nearby, you have to go. But this is a perfect place to smell fragrances, and it's also inexpensive. This was $85. This one's Royal Amber by Urentica. I think I'm saying that right, Urentica. And this one's basically a dupe off of Kirke. This one has pineapple, a little bit of amber, bergamot, green apple, mixed fruits, melon, pineapple. This is definitely beautiful. This is definitely tropical. It's giving you tropical, but it's at an inexpensive price. And this, I definitely get a lot of compliments from this fragrance. This is definitely loud, so you would get your good money with this fragrances. And that's what I like about Middle Eastern fragrances, is they go into beast mode at a fraction of the cost. So it's like you're getting this, you're getting a really good deal with what you're purchasing. So number 5, Royal Amber. So this is number 6. This is Lamar Kajal. I just purchased this, so I maybe had this for maybe 2 months. But this one has been on my list for a very long time. This one is a cross between Delina and Baccarat. I would say Baccarat. So it gives you, with Delina, it gives you that that rose, that strong rose that Delina gives you, but it's Middle Eastern kind of style. It has pineapple in it. It has magnolia, vanilla, apples, red berries. These are just some of the notes that are in here. But can you see this bottle? This bottle is so pretty. It's very bright gold. This is number 6, Lamar. The last one is Yara. Now, Yara is not for everybody. I would say Yara it reminds me of Fruit Loops, or either Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles. It's a very sweet fragrance. Some people say it smells like strawberries, but it's very sweet fragrance. The notes that are in here are tropical fruit, orchid, tangerine, and a gourmand accord. together that gives this like this, it's almost like it has a little bit of milkiness to it, but that's why I said it reminds me of cereal. But I know that sounds not too like attractive. So number 7, Yara by Latafia. So guys, that is all for my 7 Middle Eastern fragrances. I hope this video was very helpful for you to help you find a Middle Eastern fragrance. So if you can click subscribe, put a thumbs up, tell me some other fragrance ideas you would love to hear from. So thank you for watching. Bye.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way.